Middle game strategies. How to make it. This is a science. How to make decisions. How to know, okay, right now in this position, I must go for the flanks, I must exchange my knight, I must know. How do you know what tells you what move to make? The position is what tells you, but because we don't understand our position, we don't understand that all my bishop is in that space, my last way bishop is there, then you choose my knight. Those are the things that you guys are missing in the tournament. Yeah? So please, let's start playing. Monday I'm back on campus. And then we can start. Okay, so we're going to start guys playing the video game. It's just a big game. We're going to start some puzzles and some games. And hopefully Monday-ish, guys, I want to see us. Serious. Monday I'm also playing, unfortunately. So I'll not be spending a lot of time playing with you. But some of you don't know your meeting.
Itu mau boleh gak ilas?
So guys, thank you so much for coming. I'll see you guys.